This video is sponsored by SimsonMall. Hello there and welcome. I'm Ole Brygger, and if you're new here, I really hope I'll earn your subscription today. As you can see, I should have had a LongerB1 40-watt laser here on my table, but we already found a winner, and I contacted the guy who won it last night, and he was here this morning to pick it up. So that was very quick out of the door. And there was not many participants for this giveaway. There was actually only 2. I reached out to 3 of my very good friends from the UK. They have no relations to any of the participants, and it was their sole decision on who won this laser. So we better get started. SimsonMall is a dedicated e-commerce platform focused entirely on laser engraving machines. This is their specialty. They understand the technology, they understand the market, and they have built their whole business around delivering high-quality machines at competitive prices. If you're either a hobbyist, a small studio, a full business, they have the machine that you need, and it won't break the bank. You had to become a member on my YouTube channel to participate in this giveaway. And apparently there was only 2. I asked them to make a comment in the provided video telling me why they should win this laser cutter. And here on Discord with me, we got the 3 judges. They are going to decide based on the comments that the 2 participants made who is going to win this laser cutter. And here on Discord, we got the 3 judges that are going to vote on both of these comments. And we are going to see who is going to win this LongerB1 40-watt laser cutter and engraver. The first judge, are you ready to have the comments ready? This is TheMiniatureMadLad.
How's it going? Yeah, it was a really difficult decision. But the first one was my choice.
The first one, the Great Axe of Power.
Great Axe of Power, that's the name. Yeah, that's the one. It was I just felt like his heart was a little bit more in it. I know that, like, obviously the other guy, he's got a family and kids, but I just when I read the 2, I just felt like he was articulating himself a little bit more. And as a result, I felt, that it'd be best in his hands with, like, the most passionate well-written letter, basically. Not to degrade the other subscriber, but and their writing style or anything. But that was my main reasoning for it. So. Yeah.
Okay, so the Great Axe of Power got 1 point from TheMiniatureMadLad. Apolloz, we're here.
Yo, what's up? So yeah, I loved both comments. I feel like they were both really engaging and showed potential in how they would both use the laser cutter machine. I really liked that Binge Watcher wanted to build kind of dollhouse for his daughter. I thought that was really wholesome and amazing, and how Axe of Power would build it into a full ruined Mordheim terrain village, which is amazing, and I can already visually see it in my head, which is also good. So it was a really hard choice. I did ponder over it for a good while, but I am actually also going to have to go with the Great Axe of Power, because I want to see the Mordheim terrain, and I also feel Binge Watcher, he said he was going to make it for the D&D campaigns he plays in, but maybe not runs, so it might not get as much use out of it as the Great Axe of Power, which is why I leaned slightly more that way. But both amazing comments, both of them deserve to win it. But that's where I'm leaning with mine as well.
Okay, so 1 more point from Axe of Power, and that will also make him the winner, but I will still like that Mike will give his comment too.
I would absolutely love to give credit to Binge Watcher for doing projects with their family. However, Great Axe of Power came in with a very proven clarity, goal, and mentioned the magic word more time. So unfortunately, due to the absolute dedication to a singular direction, I think Great Axe of Power will do better with a gift.
Cool. So 3 points to Great Axe of Power, and I already got his email address. I will say thank you so much to all of you for participating in this.
No worries at all.
Being the judges, yes, this was the
Congratulations, Axe of Power.
Axe of Power.
Yeah, unanimous decision. It seems
is the one and only winner in this, and I will make sure if he doesn't come by and pick it up by himself. I don't know where in Denmark he lives, so
we need pictures though. We need pictures of this Mordheim terrain. We definitely need pictures of that.
Yeah, I would love to see that.
I mean, maybe he's to be fair with a name like that. I can imagine. I'm gonna go and find him on Instagram right now.
Yeah. Thank you so much to the 3 judges, Mike Moans, Apolloz, and TheMiniatureMadLad for making this decision on who won this laser. And a great shout out and congratulations to the Great Axe of Power. I really know that this laser cutter is in good hands and you will get a lot of work done with it. If you would like to buy a LongerB1 40-watt laser, there is a great offer in the link down in the description. This is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.